Welcome to Module 1 of our Automotive Electrical English course. In this module, we'll explore key words about electricity in cars. Let's take a look at some key vocabulary and explanations. Voltage is the force that pushes electricity through a circuit. It's measured in volts. The car battery provides the voltage needed to start the engine. Current is the flow of electricity through a conductor, like a wire. It's measured in amperes or amps. When you switch on the headlights, current flows to the bulbs. Resistance slows down the flow of electricity in a circuit. It's measured in ohms. High resistance in a wire can lead to problems, such as dim lights. A circuit is a complete path that lets electricity flow from a power source, through wires, and back. For example, the lighting circuit powers the car's headlights. A fuse is a safety device that stops too much current from flowing in a circuit. If the current is too high, the fuse will break, stopping the electricity to protect the system. A relay is an electric switch that uses a small current to control a larger current. Relays are used to operate car components, like the starter motor. Battery stores electric power and provides energy to start the engine and run electrical parts when the engine is off. Ground is a point in the electrical system where voltages are measured. In vehicles, the negative side of the battery often connects to the car's metal frame, acting as the ground. A conductor is a material that allows electricity to pass through it easily. Copper wires are common conductors in car wiring. Insulator is a material that stops electricity from flowing easily. Plastic and rubber are often used to cover wires and prevent electric shocks. Terminal is a point where a wire connects to a power source or another part. The battery terminals link the battery to the car's electrical system. Load is any part or device that uses electrical power, like lights, motors, or heaters. Switch is a device that opens or closes a circuit, controlling the flow of current. For example, the ignition switch turns the engine on and off. A short circuit happens when electricity flows through an unintended path, often with little resistance, which can cause too much current and potential damage. Open circuit is an incomplete electrical path that stops current from flowing. If a wire is disconnected, the circuit is open.